CountIF is an amazing function in Excel that helps you count how many times a certain group occurs. So we've got a column here called ethnicity, and I want to know how many Chinese people are in the sample and how many white people are in the sample. It's quite an easy thing to do. I'm just going to go over to a new sheet to keep everything nice and clean. And I'm going to start by just saying I want to have the category. Now, the categories I've got are white and Chinese, so I'm just going to go and copy two of these cells together and place them here. This does work if you have a lot more than two categories, but we're keeping it simple today. So I'm going to put in number, and the frequency we can calculate using equals CountIF, open bracket, and now we've got to say the range. So this is telling Excel where to look. I'm going to go to here and just select from D2 right down to D101. I then press comma, go to my sheet and say, yep, you want to take this as your criteria. So we're looking for this category in that part of the table. Close bracket, and there we are. So if I just take this now and drag this down, you'll see you've got 50 and 50, so that tells me we've got an equal split, 50% out of white and Chinese. And to prove this has worked, I'm going to go over to the dataset here, and I'm going to choose a random category, so A white, knock that out, and you'll see this has gone down to 49, so it actually is a 50-50 split. I'm going to return that, and that is as simple as it is. We've now calculated how many people in that category.